Welcome to the Universal Billiards Clearance Outlet. Located right off the I-35 access road in Farmers Branch, Texas, this showroom has a great deal for any game room, including discount pool tables, shuffleboards, and more. On display, you'll find huge markdowns and major savings on each and every item, with many purchases coming in around 50% off MSRP. We're able to offer such deep discounts thanks to our collaboration with Odd Bosco and their access to overstock and discontinued models from the biggest manufacturers in the game room industry. You'll be floored by the potential savings and exceptional quality of our repurposed, upcycled, and reborn game room oddities. As always, our knowledgeable sales staff is on hand to help you purchase with confidence, and our team of in-house game room mechanics will handle your delivery and installation from start to finish. Our clearance outlet is open to the public. Drop by and maximize your budget to create the game room of your dreams for less.